Hey everyone, if you have been removed from a Google Meet, don't worry, I'll show you how to get back in quickly. Check the meeting link. The easiest way to rejoin is to click the original meeting link. Make sure you are signing with the same Google account you used before and again click that link, then you will be joined again. Then request to join again. When you click the link, you will see a request to join message. The host will need to approve your request to let you back in. Contact the host. If you can't rejoin immediately, contact the host directly via email or chat or phone. Ask them to admit you back into the meeting. Avoid being removed again. Make sure to follow meeting rules and mute when needed, and don't join multiple times quickly. This can prevent the host from accidentally removing you again. And that's it. Now you know how to rejoin Google Meet after being removed. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tips and tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.